This is how the space looked before, and here's how it feels after the redesign. You're looking at one of our clients' real homes, facing the same everyday challenges you might be experiencing right now. The furniture is not proportional, the layout feels uncomfortable, and everything looks unplanned. So, in this transformation, you'll see how proper planning fixed this home. Watch until the end, because you'll pick up practical ideas you can apply to your own space right away. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today, and let's design your dream home together. This is the kind of setup you might be dealing with at home. You may already have all the furniture you need, but somehow the space still feels cramped and uncomfortable to use. To fix this, you need to simplify the layout and create a clearer structure that works for your daily use, so your living area feels open, calm, and more spacious. If you already have a warm white paint finish and darker floor finish, you can keep them, as they provide a good base and can match most furniture pieces you plan to add. But to avoid a plain look, especially in the seating area, you can install a vertical arched panel with lime wash details surrounded by soft LED lighting. This creates a strong focal point that adds height and visual interest. Now for your main seating. You might choose a light sectional sofa because it provides enough seating while keeping the space visually soft and clean. Layer it with neutral throw pillows to add texture without making the space feel busy. In front of the sofa, a round nesting coffee table helps improve movement, making it easier to walk around. On top of it, adding minimal coffee table decor like books or a small plant helps style the space. Underneath, you can place a large area rug to define the seating zone, making the layout feel more organized instead of scattered. Near the window, layered curtains paired with a roller shade give you flexible light control throughout the day. This allows you to soften natural light when needed. You can also add indoor plants beside the sofa to bring in natural elements and soften the seating area. Now moving to the entertainment zone at the front wall of the seating area, you can feature a textured stone-like panel framed with vertical wood accents. This adds depth and contrast, so the wall does not feel plain. Mount your smart TV at the center for a better viewing experience. Placing it at eye level creates a more comfortable viewing angle. Below, you can install a slim floating console to provide storage while keeping the floor visible. This keeps the floor area visually clear, making the space feel more open and easier to move around without adding unnecessary visual weight. To complete the look, adding small plants and minimal decor pieces softens the overall space and brings in a natural feel. So, with all these changes, your living area now feels more organized, visually lighter, and easier to use every day. In total, this setup can cost around $3,000 to $3,300. And if you want to achieve a similar look, you can find comparable furniture pieces through the product tags below. You might relate to this. Your dining area already has a table and chairs, but it still feels empty and a bit temporary. The solution is to define the area better while keeping it simple, functional, and purposeful. In this redesign, you can keep a rectangular dining table and lightweight dining chairs. This setup works well because it gives you enough space for daily meals without overwhelming a compact area. Now, for the wall treatment, this is where the upgrade happens. A large grid-style wall mirror reflects both light and the surrounding space, instantly making your dining area feel brighter and more open. On the opposite side, you can add a fluted sideboard cabinet for extra storage while also giving you a surface for styling. On top of it, place decor pieces like a drumshade lamp and ceramic vases to add warmth and make the space feel more lived in. Above the cabinet, hang abstract wall art to complete the composition so the wall doesn't feel empty. So now, your dining area feels more structured and purposeful while still keeping that light and open. In total, this dining setup can cost around $1,000 to $1,200. Before the redesign, the space felt tight and unorganized. The bed placement limited movement, making the room feel smaller than it actually is. To fix this, you need to simplify the layout, use properly sized furniture, remove unnecessary pieces, and create a calm visual focus. For this bedroom, you can start by installing a feature wall with vertical arched panels and soft LED backlighting. This creates a strong yet calming focal point, so you don't need to add too many decorations around the room. Then add your main piece. A low-profile upholstered bed helps keep the space visually light while still providing comfort for daily use. You can then layer pillows and soft textiles to add comfort while keeping the color palette soft and cohesive. On each side, wooden nightstands give you just enough space for essentials and minimal decor without making the layout feel crowded. Don't leave your walls empty. You can hang a set of abstract wall art to give your bedroom a more intentional look and added personality. You can also include a rectangular mirror to reflect light and make the room feel more spacious, while still being practical for everyday use. To control light and maintain privacy, you can install vertical blinds near the window or door. Bring in indoor plants to add a natural touch without overwhelming the room. For your TV placement, you can mount your flat-screen TV directly across the bed at a comfortable viewing height. By mounting it on the wall, you avoid adding bulky furniture, so the room still feels open and easy to move around. Because of these choices, your bedroom now feels calmer, more organized, and much easier to relax in every day. In total, this bedroom setup can cost around $1,200 to $2,400, and you can find similar furniture pieces through the product tags below. So, if your home feels cramped, unorganized, or hard to use, it's not always about the size. It's about how everything is planned. When your layout is clear, your furniture fits the space, and every piece has a purpose, your home naturally becomes more comfortable, functional, and easier to live in every day. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.